Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really awesome. So which I've been waited for so long to get my hands on it, which is this one. So the Mitsubishi Lancer. This is from the Fast and the Furious movie series, and this one is by Tomica, and this one is from their Unlimited series. So I personally love the way they actually packaged it. See, it's actually easy to open. See, it's not like sealed or anything. If I'm not wrong, you can just open it here. Yeah, that's it. I really love this kind of packing, but this is the first time I'm having this kind of particular packaging. So let's unbox and see how this car looks. It's been so long, I'm just waiting to get my hands on this. Okay, let's take out the box and then the car. Okay, this is really great packaging. No, let me just put this aside. Okay, let me just show you the box first. So I really love this graphics here. Tomica Unlimited. So if you guys are wondering where I bought it from Rian. You can find him in Facebook. So he actually helped me to get this one. So it cost us somewhere around I think 1200 or 1300. I don't remember now. Okay, let's put this aside and let's get to the car real quick. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car. This looks absolutely beautiful, and this is really cool. They put some kind of acrylics for the headlights. The logo placement is really nice. So I didn't see any paint job issues here, any chipping or bubbling. I can see. So the body is made of metal, and yeah, the spoiler is actually made of plastic. So even the tail lights are made of some kind of acrylics, and so this is just painted on top of the acrylic, but it is really nice. They actually put some acrylic here. The Lancer Revolution, that is really awesome. Okay, so okay, the chassis is actually made of plastic. This is not metal, and the tires are made of plastic as well. The paint job is really nice. It doesn't have any issue at all, and it is really nice. It is really perfect. There is no misplacement or anything. There's some interior detail to it as well. It looks really nice. I hope you guys can see at least a little bit. It's a bit hard to show these details, specifically with the tinted out windshields and everything. But it looks really awesome. I wish they actually put some kind of hole here instead of just painting it out in gray, silver gray. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yes, it does have suspension. Okay, so usually if they have this kind of chassis, sometimes it doesn't have suspension, but this one has. So if you guys remember, I think I unboxed this Lamborghini Colorado here, which is here. This one, that one is by Tomica. That's a premium version of of theirs. It doesn't have any suspension actually. Okay, fine. So let's do a roll test really quick. Okay, just picking up some dust. I don't know from where. Okay, doesn't roll really that well. You can see a lot of wheel wobble on, specifically on rear wheels. Front wheel also wobbles, but the rear wheel is actually a lot wobbly. But anyways, like I always say, I'm not going to play with it. Personally, for me, Tomica is kind of a bit special to me because for the price range, they really nail everything, including the weight, the scale, the paint job, the graphics, the vinyls, you name it, they have everything. So, and I personally prefer this plastic wheels instead of the rubber ones. A second, rubber tend to melt over time and it is really hard to get a replacement for that. And that is really pricey as well. You can buy another car for that price. Doesn't have any grill detail though, but it is okay. I'm really not sure if they actually sold it in India and priced it. I don't know how much it will be. Maybe around 600 or something. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.